Hi. The reason I'm making this video is because of this new coronavirus. I want to share my experience with you on how I personally treat the common cold and the flu. A method that's very simple and very effective. As many of you probably already know, this new virus is very similar to the flu. And that's why I believe that the same treatment I use for the flu will also help others with this new virus. I am an instructor in Toronto, Canada. As part of the course, I teach students ways to prevent the spread of the flu, as well as the ways to protect yourself. That includes getting vaccinated, cough into your sleeve, wash your hands with soap and water, and to carry a hand sanitizer. However, as an instructor, one thing that's not part of my standard course material, yet something I use all the time to treat myself when I have the flu, is just to keep myself very warm by wearing lots and lots of clothing. It is very simple, yet it works. Whenever I get sick from the flu, I put on layers upon layers of clothing and drink plenty of water. Drinking water is very important because you will sweat quite a bit and you want to replenish the lost water. You also want to monitor yourself for a fever. If the fever gets too high, take the right medicine for it. I can tell it works because if I don't use this method, my flu will linger on for weeks. However, as soon as I put on clothing to keep myself warm and I start to sweat, in maybe about 5 or 6 hours, I start to feel better. I can already feel my symptoms starting to go away. And in a couple of days, I'm 90% better. Now, this method is obviously not new. I'm sure that many people are aware of this. However, at the same time, there may be many people that are also not aware of this, especially with the younger generation, because with the younger generation, we tell them about vaccine, we tell them about hand washing, medicine that treat the symptoms. But we may not tell them about this method of keeping warm. So yeah, that's the method that I use to treat the flu, and I strongly feel that the same method can be used to treat this new virus. So if you think this is helpful to someone, please share it. Okay, thank you for watching.